Just in time to see the words of the birds they were calling me. I sat up in bed, there were sunbeams all in my head, and the babbling stream falling low. Run out my dreams, wasted till I see her head and all babble. Just so I could face the peeps in the streets and that human race. I sat up in bed, there were sunbeams all in my head, and oh, I went outside, and I smoked up my dreams, wasted till I see her hands and her babble. Thank you very much, Mr. Gavin Jack.